Swayed by Akhand Bharat myth, India's Bharatiya Janata Party government is making all-around efforts to expand its Hindutva ideology to the neighboring Nepal, which is a secular country. The rise of the Hindu nationalist party Nepal Janata Party should be seen in the light of growing influence of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh or the RSS exposed to the Hindutva agenda and Akhand Bharat in the Nepali politics. The RSS enjoyed close ties with the Nepal's monarchs from the 1960s onward, so when the Hindu monarchy was abolished and the country became a secular state, both the RSS and the BJP grew concerned. Despite their reservations, however, there was little they could do to oppose the move, given their weaker position within the Indian politics and society, as well as the transformational momentum of the Nepali politics at the time. Now, however, with the BJP dominant in India and growing in Nepal, Indian Hindu nationalists are feeling more emboldened. In the past few years, the BJP and the RSS have actively pushed their Hindu nationalist agenda in the Nepal through public speeches as well as the formal and informal lobbying. A recently research by the US State Department mentions the efforts by the BJP and affiliated right-wing religious groups to pressurize and provide funding to the Nepali political parties to rescind the Nepal's secular status. With the experience and skill in the long-term institutional development, the RSS has been actively establishing various Nepali offshoots and recruiting volunteers to advance its agenda. In the recent months, Nepal has experienced a series of episodes at the behest of RSS and BJP that hint at the organized efforts to increase the salience of religion in the country's officially secular politics. In the months of August, September and October, sectarian communal tensions involving the Hindu activists in three different cities, Dharan, Malangava and Nepalgunj, led the government to impose a curfew.